Someone asked me, why do I celebrate Christmas? Well, I thought about it. There are 8 billion people here in this planet, and not a single person, no, not one, has the option or a choice if they want to be born. You and I do not choose our parents. We are born into that family, and that's our family. Absolutely no choice. But there is one person who had that choice. His name is Jesus. He chose to be born. You know why? Because He loves you. He chose to be born because He cares for you. He chose to be born so that you would have eternal life. Isn't that a good reason to celebrate Christmas? Now, what's your reason to celebrate Christmas?